Fucking A.
Papa Perry. It's me, Bozo. Ding dong. Why did you get rid of me? Knock knock. I want to come back. I want to come home again. Papa? Knock knock. Papa?
I'm not your papa. This is not your home. Look, Bozo was when I was a little kid, okay? No more Bozo. Bozo's gone. And that stupid balloon that I had of Bozo. Oh, motherfucker. You motherfucker. Get the fuck out of here. You're not coming in my fucking apartment. There's nothing out here. Nothing out here.
Papa Perry. It's me, Bozo. Ding dong. Take me back. I met the devil. Can he bring me back from the dead? Ding dong. Please let me in. Help.
No. No. I'm not taking Bozo back. Get the fuck out of here. That's what I was hearing, but let's see. Nobody outside my door. There's nobody outside my door. Fucking hey! God damn it! Oh, shit! Bozo here. Didn't leave a Bozo. They like more McDonald's. McDonald's fucking trash. I'm walking it over to the camera and then I'm bringing it to the kitchen because there is no more fucking room over here. You goddamn understand me? There's no more fucking room over here! No fucking Bozo, just McDonald's bullshit! Taking that shit anymore.
In the name of Satan the devil, Dark Lord, summon thy Bozo to rise again. Father Lucifer, rise again, Bozo. Hail Satan, rise Bozo, rise. Hail Satan.
Bozo's dead. I killed Bozo. You can hail Satan because I don't want anything to do with hailing Satan. Not interested. Bozo, the doll, the blow-up doll is dead and gone. He's not coming back. And this big fucking monster behind me is going to be leaving as well. I'm not paying attention to this. This is satanic.
Bozo rise.
No, bye. It's satanic.
Bozo rise. Hail Satan. Hail Satan. Hail Satan.
This is satanic. Hail Satan! I don't worship Bozo the Clown. I do not worship Satan. Good day.
In the name of Satan the devil, deliver thy Bozo to Villa La Paloma. Rise again, Bozo. Hail Satan. Bozo, sail forth on your demon vessel. Hail Satan.
Bozo is dead. Yeah, I put a knife through Bozo. Because I was tired of the goddamn thing behind me over here, okay? And I'm glad I did it.
Bozo's dying tonight! Kill this son of a bitch tonight! Dark Lord, bring him to 7722. Perry Caravello. Hail Satan! Villa La Paloma 7722. Villa La
Remove this.
Paloma
Remove this.
7722.
Remove this.
Villa La Paloma 7722. Hail Satan! 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 Hail Satan!
Perry turned his computer off. Perry, why'd you do that? You know how hard that makes things for me?
Just a moment.
Perry, you got anything to say?
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean that.
What did I tell you about that?
I know.
You know how hard now I got to do so much work now to get this back up and running.
Knock knock, it's me Bozo. Take me back. I met the devil. He brought me back from the dead. Ding dong. Knock knock, Bozo's home. Bozo's home. Open up.
You're never coming back here. You were a dummy sitting behind me where this... Oh, Jesus Christ. Again, I gotta get the fucking door and there's gonna be nobody out there. Nobody's there. Oh, fucking boat. What the fuck? Oh my fucking God. I don't believe this. I can't fucking believe this. Get the fuck out of here. Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. This is all garbage.
Let's bring it in, Perry.
I'm not bringing it in.
No, come on, let's bring it in.
I'm not bringing it in. The boat stays. I killed you, motherfucker. And somebody brings me a boat as well? I killed you too, you piece of shit. Fucking assholes.
Bring both.
No, I'm not bringing in both. I'm bringing in Bozo. Bozo. You will see Bozo, and that is it. Some fucking prick picked up this shit and expects me to bring it onto the stream. How in the fuck is this possible? I stabbed this motherfucker, so they got another one. Now the other boat.
Yeah, bring that boat back in, Perry. That'd be good. Just bring it back in, please.
The boat is not coming in this house.
Well, it'll block the blinds. There's still a little bit of sunlight coming through, so
That's no fucking light, goddamn you!
just bring it in. It'll be a good visual. You can get rid of it after.
It's dark out, you stupid jagoff!
There's a little bit of light coming through.
Motherfucker, I'm not gonna bring the fucking boat in my home! You see it on the goddamn ring? That is it!
Perry, you got a delivery. You got a delivery. You might as well get it.
Fucker!
DoorDash.
Again! God damn it, we're done! This thing is over! Fucking done!
Just bring the boat in with everything in it.
I can't bring the boat in. It's too fucking big. You stupid asshole.
You can bring it in, Perry.
The boat is too big.
No, it's not. It's the same size. It's the same size, and you brought it in before. Perry, bring in the boat.
Shut up!
Perry, you gotta bring in the boat.
The boat is not coming in my home! It's not coming in, you son of a bitch!
Just bring it in and leave it in the back there, and then you can do what you want with it later. But at least just...
Why?
Perry, get the boat, please. You can't leave it in the hall. I'm watching the ring camera. Your neighbors are like tripping all over. Just bring it in and put it in the dining room, just so it's in the background.
Oh, fuck you! Fuck you! The boat does not come in my house! It goes in the goddamn trash!
You can do what you want with it later. Just get it right now.
Does not, I repeat, does not come in my house!
You cannot leave it the way it is laying in the hallway, Perry. People are...
It goes in the fucking trash when this fucking stream is over!
Well, the stream is not over, and don't call it this effing stream. Leave that right where it is. Leave it where it is. You're going to need that. Oh, actually, not that one. That's not a cool one. Perry, please get the boat and just bring it in so at least it's on camera.
Oh, you're a son of a bitch. You're an evil son of a bitch. Fucking cement. Motherfucker. Kitty litter in me. Fucking wood.
All right, just put the boat like in the background so we can see it, please.
You are such a... I'm stabbing the boat, too.
No, you're not. That's illegal.
The boat is fucking stabbed.
It's not, Perry.
Yes.
I didn't know you were going to bring it in this way. I thought you were going to put it in the back there.
This is the boat, okay?
All right, put it up against the blinds like where it always was.
Oh, shit. Now I spilt the fucking drink all over my chair.
Why would you do that?
Oh, shit.
Why did you do that?
He got to the goddamn boat, you son of a bitch! Oh, my God! Oh, my fucking God! Oh, my God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Got to be a little more careful with those drinks.
Oh, fuck. No shit, Sherlock. You son of a bitch! It's all your motherfucking fault! You piece of fucking shit! You fucking asshole! Fucking son of a fucking bitch! Cocksucking motherfucker! Yeah, it's all your fucking fault! All this shit goes in the fucking trash. Back off, motherfucker! Back off! Go fuck yourself! You fucking asshole! Motherfucking asshole! Fuck you! Fuck you! Kiss my fucking ass! And fuck you!
Perry, but can I get a good look at that? What's the note on Bozo? Could you just bring Bozo a little up forward, a little more forward to the camera? What is?
It says I've missed you, Bozo.
What else is on that? Is there any other writing on that?
I've missed you, Bozo. No other writing.
Okay, can you just bring it up a little bit so the camera can see it? Wow. Okay. Again, can you bring it up?
God damn!
No, not the note, Perry. Bozo. Can you move it up?
Oh, they wrote 666 on Bozo.
Oh, can I see that?
And my name.
Can I see that, Perry?
Yeah, these evil fucking sick bastards.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
Hail Satan!
Villa La Paloma 7722.